Ooh, it has charcoal and retinol. What a day. What a day, you guys. My name is Maddie Peoples, and if you do not know me and you're unsure of what this channel is, I don't blame you. Just me watching these videos. I started this channel in hopes of just making fun videos about beauty and makeup and other fun, fashionable moments. Your girl love to just try a bunch of stuff on. Anyway, if you're watching this channel, I am excited to say it is October 2023. I plan to be uploading at least once a month. I think the focus of my videos ongoing are gonna be reviewing subscription boxes, among other fun things. So today, lo and behold, so today, as my first subscription box review on What a Day with Maddie People, we're reviewing the Allure Best of Beauty box. Or no, Allure Beauty box. Let's do it. Ah, jeez, I think something broke. Oh God, I was trying to do something cute. Oh God, ow. This feels better. Oh. Cute. Feels better. We're gonna review from the bathroom. Ooh, so fun. Okay. Allure, but oh no. All right, so first on the list of the Allure Best of Beauty, or I keep calling it the Best of Beauty. I feel like that's not what this box is called. We're gonna revamp. So Allure Beauty Box, it is, I would say, my 5th month getting these delivered, and they're amazing, and they were a gift to me. You can actually gift someone, I think, like 6 months to start. I'm not sure, but shout out to mama. All right, love you so much. Allure Beauty Box, I would say for October 2023 thus far, actually looks like one of my favorites because I'm really into the hair care scene right now. It's all about the scalp this year. We feeling it out. We feel there's lots going on. See, what is that? That's just deciding to do its own little shindig back there. So the first thing in the Allure Beauty Box for this month, October, this is actually so cool. I don't know if I've heard of this brand. Masking and Relaxin'. Super cute bottle. Okay. Ooh, it has charcoal and retinol. What a day. And probiotics. Oh. Love a probiotic moment. This is to nourish, detox, and restore balance to your scalp. So in these videos, my goal going forward will be to try this stuff, but then also kind of read them and get excited about them. Something like this, I'm so stoked to use, but wait for tomorrow, all right? Your girl's gotta sweat. It's gotta get my wash going. Enough, it actually says, ooh, you apply on a clean and wet scalp. Leave on for 3 minutes and rinse off for a detox, hydrated, balanced scalp. Very easy. So this I would give a really good first impression moment on my part. Yes, vegan, cruelty-free. Thank you. Next in my Allure Beauty Box for October 2023. Style Edit Root Concealer. Thank you, thank you. Root Concealer. Okay, this is amazing. So it instantly covers gray for extended color life. Very cute. No, I don't have grays. I'm not bragging. I'm just saying I ain't got none right now. Oh. Oh my gosh, there's color. I don't know what to do. Whoa, that's kind of cool though. Ah! Oh, cool. It kind of makes it look like my bun would be. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, y'all. Because for a bit, I did not know what in the heck hairline was happening on my hip-hopping head, y'all. Cuties. That's staying with me. Next, out of my Allure Beauty Box for this month of October. Nothing spooky here. Cuddly. So this is something it looks like for the eye and lip. Beautiful. It's beautiful. Okay. Pardon my nails. That'll be next month's boxes. Nail care, please help. Contours. Kind of need that. So I'm kind of excited about this little vibes case. What is happening? What is happening? Yeah, the Lily Bloom Hyaluronic Vivifying Serum. I just cleanse, tone, and exfoliate. So it says you need to cleanse and tone. I did, I promise. Comes out like this, nice and shiny. Nice. All good. About to walk out my bathroom looking like a fresh new woman. Next. Ooh, I'm so, y'all, you never know when you're gonna chafe. Cool. I love First Aid Beauty. I mean, I every time I get stuff from them, it's very exciting. So this is an anti-chafe stick with shea butter and colloidal oatmeal. Colloidal. Yes, that's a good mix though if you think about it. Oh, it's cool. Got like this little vibe right here and here, because this is very hair heavy, I feel like, with a good skin vibe. Tease, suit of armor, don't blush me blush. That's fun. It's cute, it's cute, it's cute. Cute. Beautiful. Moth, I love this. So yeah, so tease, suit of armor, don't blush me blush. Fun. Really exciting little trinkets in here. Okay, so first, you get like these cool surprises in the Allure box, which is great. Like HelloFresh. I've not tried it, so that's just like a cool thing. Or you know what they should put in there? A little bit of a Taco Bell gift card, you know what I'm saying? I'm stoked that there's like kind of a heavy hair theme in this month's Allure beauty box. Stines hair. Okay, so cute. Oh, you're so cute. This is fun. Though, between the Kristiness and then between this beautiful Kristiness scrunchie and my Style Edit root concealer, I am a beautiful, beautiful gal. Well, there you have it, you guys. What a day. My name is Maddie Peoples. This is just a fun channel. I love making videos. It'd be fun to review a fun little thing. I like the Allure beauty box. There's gonna be other subscription boxes. I'm sure there's gonna be other things. I can't wait for the next video, but for now, happy October. Thanks for stopping in, and if you want to subscribe, do you, boo. I'm stoked. Fun. So, what a day, you guys. This is Maddie Peoples, and have a good one.